This is how I make an herbal infusion. Let's create this Lavender Sun-Infused Oil together. Hi, I'm Katie, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching you how to turn natural ingredients into natural products you can use every day in your home. In this video, you'll learn how to make a sun-infused herbal oil. Basically, we're infusing the aroma and soothing benefits of lavender buds into an oil that we can incorporate into other DIY skincare recipes. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY Home Remedies box, where you can get the key ingredients you need to make this recipe and more delivered straight to your door. The skincare oil we're making in this video is an ingredient you can feel good about using every day. It's soothing and can help improve the appearance of your skin. It's free from synthetic fillers, harsh chemicals, and toxic chemicals. You can feel good about putting this on your skin. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know at Simply Earth we are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own natural products. That's why you can subscribe to our recipe box and get these ingredients delivered straight to your door. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients I talk about in this video at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY Home Remedies box. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's make this Lavender Sun-Infused Oil together. To make this recipe, you will need dried lavender flowers, a half cup of carrier oil. I'm going to be using almond oil, but you can use another similar oil like fractionated coconut oil, hemp seed oil, or even olive oil will work. You're also going to need a clear jar that can seal and hold 4 fluid ounces, and you're going to want a 4-ounce amber bottle. This is what we're going to store in at the end. Let's make it. To make our lavender sun-infused oil, we're going to add our lavender buds to our clear jar. Next, we're going to add a half cup of our carrier oil. Now we're going to put our jar in a sunny window and use the power of time plus sunlight to infuse the natural benefits of the lavender buds into our carrier oil, making sure to shake the jar every couple of days. After your lavender buds have been infused into the oil, strain them out using a cheesecloth or a fine mesh sieve. We'll pour our infused oil into our 4-ounce amber bottle. The amber bottle is going to help promote a longer shelf life for our infused oil. Make sure to label your infusion. I can use this oil by itself to help soothe and improve the appearance of skin, or I can add it in place of a carrier oil in another DIY skincare recipe. Let's test it out. This oil will moisturize my skin and promote healing. It smells like lavender and it feels so nice on my skin. And you can make this too. Get your Simply Earth Home Remedies DIY recipe kit today. I love to see your creations, so when you make this, take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. Each month we do a $5 gift card drawing to those who participate. Learn more in the description box below. Like and follow for more natural recipes like this.